Hey, this will be a video chart on SNEY. Got a bunch of requests for this one today, and pretty action-packed day, so I want to get things updated here. But first things first, need to fess up on a wrong call. I said after this day, when I did the video, that I thought some more consolidation would be needed, and I was dead wrong. As you can see, the price made a gigantic move from that point. So chalk that one up to a bad call on my part. No consolidation was needed after that, as the price really just took off. But anyways, back to the present day chart. First things first, it really depends on what your strategy is for how you should take this chart. If you are a day trader or looking for just a short trade, then yeah, this chart's looking pretty rough for you. Now, if you are in this as a longer term swing trader, or maybe just are in this for more about the fundamentals, but follow kind of just an overall chart, then the chart is still hanging in there and is still bullish. So just keep that in mind. It really does depend on what your particular strategy is. If we look at just today, this, you had a big bearish engulfing candle, not the greatest thing from a day trader's perspective or a short-term swing trader. But if you're in this, like I said, for the overall play, then things are just fine, and I'll explain what I mean by that in a sec, or I'll explain what I mean by that right now. So how can I say that things are fine after you had a nasty volume day, had a nasty price reaction down? Well, if we look at our moving averages, you can see that the price is still above them, and in fact, the price bounced very nicely right off its 10-day simple moving average today, which was based at 0.011. So from the overall perspective and just in trend analysis, you want to see where the price is relative to its moving averages, and it is very clear that the price is above all of its moving averages, and like I just pointed out, actually bounced right off of one of them today. So going forward, what price levels do we want to see hold? Well, worst case, we don't really want to see it drop below a penny for many reasons. One being it's a psychological level, and it's hard enough to get above it. So I'd like to stay above there. And the other reason is it is an important level of support. If we go back through the history of the chart, you can see it acted as resistance here. Although it didn't quite hit it there, got relatively close, and then you can see acted as resistance for a couple days here. So 0.01 is going to be the level that I would consider the must-hold area for the chart. So I'll make that extra thick just to remind everybody that that is a very important level. In terms of shorter term support levels, pretty much as today demonstrated, if it can hold above the 10-day, that would be just a great sign of strength. But at the end of the day, the penny level is going to be the level that we want to see hold. Now, resistance wise, not a complete shocker that the price got knocked down here. If we go back here and look at 0.016, you can see that there's no exact area, but plenty of price history right up around this area where the price got above there and then just couldn't quite pull away. And same was the case here, gapped up above it but just couldn't maintain itself. So there's definitely some sellers up in this area, and until they are cleaned out, this is going to continue to be a level of resistance up here at 0.016. So I'm going to make that line extra thick because, like I said, it really does appear to be that there's some sellers up here. And I'm not saying that it's impossible for it to be broken, but as the history has shown, the bulls are having some trouble, pulling away from this area here. So that's going to remain the key level of resistance. So that is where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SNEY. Thanks for listening.